Alright, so first of all, I was trying to download a file and suddenly I got this annoying error saying there is no disk space left on drive C to store downloaded file parts. But here's the weird part. I actually had enough space available, and this wasn't just a one-time thing, it kept happening again. Even when I clicked on Save As and selected another drive with plenty of space, IDM still refused to download. So don't worry, I'll show you the easiest fix. First, open up Internet Download Manager, then go to the top menu, click on Downloads, and from the drop down, click on Options. Now switch to the Save To tab. Here you'll see where your files are being saved. Click on Browse and select a different drive that actually has enough space. Then click OK, and that's it. Now try downloading again, and it should work without showing that disk space error. So yeah, that's the fix. Quick and simple.